everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today I want to give you some tips to follow to stay safe online. First, avoid questionable sites. Second, only download software from sites that you trust. Third, carefully evaluate free software and file sharing apps before downloading them. 4. For Google searches, do not click on the links with an ad box. Instead, go farther down the page. Google cannot prevent hackers from buying AdWords, and they cannot track them very easily, so those sites are often fraudulent sites. 5, and most importantly, make sure that you have the best security software products on your home and business devices. If you need help getting the best security software products out there, please give us a call and we'd be happy to assist you. Hope that you stay safe online and hope you have a great week.